Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The Tata Indica, a name synonymous with India's automotive history, is set to make a remarkable comeback in 2025. This revival isn't just a nod to nostalgia but a bold leap into the future, especially with its rally-ready variant designed for adrenaline enthusiasts and motorsport aficionados. In this article, we'll delve into the main components of the 2025 Tata Indica rally car, exploring its features, performance capabilities, and pricing. Chassis and bodywork. At the heart of any rally car lies a robust chassis, and the 2025 Tata Indica doesn't disappoint. Built on a reinforced monocoque frame, it ensures structural rigidity while keeping weight to a minimum. The bodywork features lightweight materials, including carbon fiber panels, to enhance performance without compromising safety. Aggressive aerodynamics, such as a front splitter, rear diffuser, and a prominent spoiler, provide the necessary downforce for high-speed stability on diverse terrains. Suspension system. Rallying demands exceptional suspension systems to tackle unpredictable terrains. The Indica Rally variant is equipped with a fully adjustable McPherson strut setup at the front and a multi-link rear suspension. High-performance dampers and coilover springs allow drivers to fine-tune settings based on specific rally stages, ensuring optimal tire contact and handling precision. Braking system. Stopping power is crucial in rally racing. The Indica features ventilated disc brakes on all four corners, paired with high-friction brake pads. A hydraulic handbrake ensures quick direction changes during tight hairpins, a staple in rally courses. Advanced ABS technology, tailored for rally conditions, provides drivers with confidence without sacrificing control. Transmission and drivetrain. Power is transmitted through a sequential 6-speed gearbox, allowing for rapid gear changes essential in competitive rallying. An all-wheel drive system ensures power distribution to all four wheels, maximizing traction on loose surfaces like gravel, snow, or mud. Active differentials further enhance handling by adjusting torque distribution based on real-time driving conditions. Interior and safety features. Inside, the Indica rally car is stripped down to essentials, emphasizing functionality and safety. A full roll cage protects occupants during rollovers or collisions. Racing seats with multi-point harnesses keep the driver and co-driver securely in place. The dashboard is minimalist, featuring a digital display that provides vital information such as speed, gear position, and engine diagnostics. Additional safety equipment includes fire suppression systems and rally-specific navigation tools. Wheels and tires. The car rides on lightweight alloy wheels, designed to withstand the rigors of rallying. Depending on the stage, tires can be swapped between gravel, tarmac, or snow specifications, each offering unique tread patterns and compounds to ensure maximum grip and durability. Electronics and navigation. Modern rallying relies heavily on electronics. The Indica is equipped with advanced telemetry systems that monitor vehicle performance in real time, allowing teams to make data-driven decisions. GPS navigation aids the co-driver in delivering precise pace notes, crucial for maintaining speed and safety on unfamiliar routes. Pricing. While the standard 2025 Tata Indica is positioned as an affordable hatchback, The rally variant caters to a niche market. Considering the specialized components and performance enhancements, the rally-ready Indica is expected to be priced around a superscript 115 lakh, approximately $20,000. This pricing makes it an attractive option for privateers and amateur rally teams seeking a competitive yet cost-effective platform. Conclusion. The 2025 Tata Indica rally car signifies Tata Motors' commitment to blending heritage with innovation. By offering a rally-ready variant, Tata provides enthusiasts with a platform that combines reliability, performance, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned rally driver or a motorsport enthusiast, the Indica rally car promises an exhilarating experience on and off the track.